Thinking about grabbing that flashy 75% off deal at Zara and Lux London? Hold up, before you dive into your wallet, you need to hear what I uncovered. At first glance, ZaraLuxLondon.com looks like a stylish online destination for women's fashion and accessories. But the deeper I looked, the more concerns I found. Let's start with the basics. The domain is brand new, which doesn't necessarily mean it's a scam, but it does raise questions about trust and long-term stability. Then there's the About Us section. It's vague, generic, and fails to give any real insight into who runs the site or what their background is. If that's not enough, their business location seems all over the place. Some parts of the site suggest they're based in London, while other clues point toward Hong Kong, making it unclear who you're really dealing with. That lack of transparency is a red flag for any online shopper. But it gets more questionable. I reverse searched some of their product images and found them on several other websites, which suggests they're using stock photos rather than showing their own merchandise. That's a tactic often used by dropshipping stores or worse, scam sites. And although they're advertising massive discounts, many of their prices are actually higher than what you'd find on trusted platforms like Amazon, so the so-called deal might not be a deal at all. What's even more troubling is their complete absence on social media. In today's world, a fashion brand with no Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok presence is a big red flag. Add to that the fact that I couldn't find any real customer reviews on reliable platforms, just a few generic-sounding comments that could easily be fake. And finally, their trust score, based on several website safety checkers, is suspiciously low. All of this combined paints a picture that isn't clearly a scam, but certainly isn't a green light either. It's the kind of site that might fulfill some orders, might delay others, or might vanish altogether. There's just no way to be sure. If you're thinking of shopping from Zara and Lux London, I highly recommend you do more research, look for verified customer experiences, and consider whether it's worth the risk. Because while the discounts might look tempting, the red flags are even louder.